Understanding, in the Senior Years, a Guide to English Phrases. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have come across, in the senior years. This phrase can be a bit confusing, especially for English language learners. So, grab a notebook, and let's explore its meaning together. We hope this video helps clarify things for you. In the senior years refers to a period in someone's life or career, usually implying the later stages or the time closer to the end. It can be used in various contexts, including education, work, and life in general. Understanding this phrase is key to grasping conversations about age, experience, and phases of life or professional journeys. In education, in the educational context, in the senior years often refers to the final years of high school or college. It signifies a time when students are preparing to graduate and enter the next phase of their lives, whether that's further education, work, or something else entirely. In work, when used in a professional setting, this phrase can describe someone's later years in their career, possibly leading up to retirement. It might also highlight a period of peak experience and expertise in their field. In life, generally speaking, in the senior years can refer to the later stages of a person's life. This period is often associated with retirement, but it's also a time for reflection, enjoying life, and pursuing personal interests. Recognizing the use of "in the senior years" helps in understanding the nuances of English conversations about aging and phases of life. It's a respectful and nuanced way to refer to these later stages, acknowledging the experiences and contributions of individuals during these times. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and usage of "in the senior years." Understanding phrases like this is a big step forward in mastering English and feeling confident in your language skills. Remember, language learning is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.